Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details as the top trending token. Top 15 number on the pink sale finance you will find Hey Vern Token. Presale is now live. This token is on the Polygon chain and public sale is now live. You can find this token is more than just a meme token. This is fully blown ecosystem with making fun exciting play to earn game and VR experiences, virtual reality experiences. You can also get a complete information about it. If you are new on the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And this is community driven meme token. Pre-sale will end after the time has been mentioned like 90 days. So if you want to know further information, you can also check. Here is HVN token. That is your next movement to get financial freedom. And here is the future where you can find Hey Vern token with the total token supply and the hard cap and soft cap. You can come to participate on that, where you can easily connect the wallet first of all that has asset on the Polygon, and then you can come to this section where you can put the number, and these are the wallet what you can use here. And next you can even join it. Here is also on the official website. You will also check how you are going to participate into their pre-sale that is now live on the pink sale. Here is something information about their community too. Hey Vern Token, this is the name of the community meme token where you can find something new, innovative, and new thing that is like a money but it's jingle in your pocket. So know what I mean. Next, you can also check here the main purpose is to come on the versatile and stunning ecosystem where community should be the power. And here you can also check it's really working. And here you can also find their mission is to spreading the joy, making the community and splash of some cartoon energy. In the blockchain crypto, there should be building and something that really happening. Here is the roadmap. According to that, their mission and achievement is going to be successfully achieved. Here is pre-sale launch. Yes, this is working and it's going on and it's live. After 19 days it will be end. There is a liquidity pool, there is DX listing on the Polygon, and community building, their community expansion with their total token supply and the other token percentage has been allocated. You can find here in the tokenomics that is about Hey Vern token, and there you can also find 25% of total allocation there is for pre-sale. And yes, pre-sale will be done into three stages: stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. All of this is working on the chain Polygon Matic, and price is also going to increasing very soon. Stage they have already cleared. You can also find their details on their white paper too, and there is the white paper with their missions and total token supply and pre-sale where token contract address will be given you very soon on the website. Now, how you will also join their community. So this is the community on the Twitter where you can follow them. You can also be one of the member who will know about the community. This is community driven. So HVN token is here. Here one token with your community. You can find the link in my video description so you can access easily. If you are pro or beginner, you can also ask any question in their community to discuss what are the future plans. Team will also give you fully support. If you want to ask something from us, you can drop your thoughts in our comment box. I'll respond it to you. I'll catch you next year. Till then, goodbye.